This is Arizona's Adventures. My name is Joshua. Here I got the Baofeng BF-R3. This is a quick review. So, I've had this radio for about a little over a month now. This is the 3800 milliamp version. Let's get an antenna on that. So this is just a quick review. I did take this out already and do some testing. We went into a mine shaft and I went about half a mile underground, and my buddy was outside and he was able to get full reception. It was a little staticky, but we were able to talk just fine. I'm gonna get these screws in here. But the reception was quite well. Alright, now that I got that assembled, alright, so we'll finish unboxing here. So, in here you get a little lanyard for your wrist. Let's see. You get a earpiece, a little button on it. Got your antennas, go over those in a second. And you got your stand-up charger. Okay. Alright, so this is your VHF and UHF antenna, and this is just a VHF. This one is, let's see here, 220 to 260 millihertz, and this one is 136 to 174 millihertz, and then from 400 to 520 millihertz. This is the one I always use. I already got a couple channels in here preset for sheriff and fire department. Put this one away for now. This is just a quick review I'm doing. This radio is great. I mean, the battery on standby lasts about 4 days. I haven't tested it enough to find out using it battery, sending out signal constantly. This is the 5-watt version. This one does not come with the programming cable, which has an end that looks like this, but it has a USB on the other end. So I'll be ordering one of those soon. And I'm also getting a tactical antenna. I'll be doing a review on that antenna soon. But if you guys liked this video, if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll answer down below. I've had this for about 2 months, I would say, and it's a great radio. I got my mom's boyfriend to get one. He got the military version, but yeah, that's the Baofeng BF-R3. This is a TRIBAND radio, which means you can listen into 2 bands at the same time. But that's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll get to you in the next video.